Welcome back to the morning show. In some sporting news, Times Now is the only channel so far to access the BCCI's Axe Lalit Modi report. But Lalit Modi is not sitting quietly. In a point-by-point rebuttal to the disciplinary committee's findings, the former IPL boss has hit back at the BCCI and attempted to rubbish all allegations levelled against him.
You have this report, by the way, this 133 pages I have. You got it?
Less than 24 hours after Times Now broke BCCI's disciplinary committee report, the former IPL czar has hit back. A point-by-point rebuttal to the charges levelled against him. Lalit Modi calling the BCCI's disciplinary committee report biased and questioning the complainant himself.
If somebody has a complaint against him, he's forming his own committee and having his own people. This is even worse. The person himself is the complainant and himself is chairing the committee. Of course, he's going to decide in his own favor.
On charges of him rigging the bids, Lalit Modi said that the BCCI had no evidence of him rigging any bids and did it to safeguard the BCCI's interest.
That the bidders must have a net worth of $1 billion, number one. Number two, I said that the amount that they're bidding must be bank guaranteed or they are going to default. And that is the clauses I put, not for myself, to safeguard the BCCI interest.
Lalit Modi going on to say that the charge of arm twisting the Kochi franchisee was an afterthought and he was stopped by a senior politician.
If you are going to go out there and build a business, you have to be very sure that you're going to be doing this business with the right fundamentals in mind, and you don't think that you're doing it for some other reason or other. So I was very clear. It was not about arm twisting. I was telling them the facts on the ground.
He went on to say that internet rights were approved by the BCCI General Body, Finance Committee as well as the IPL Governing Council. The BCCI alleging that there was no reason for Lalit Modi to disclose Kochi's hidden stakes on Twitter. But Lalit Modi defending it, saying that he disclosed it for transparency reasons. BCCI also alleging that Lalit Modi planned a rebel league outside the purview of the ECB and BCCI. But Modi quick to squash those allegations that he and Giles Clarke sorted the matter outside court. And Lalit Modi also saying that the IPL Governing Council had approved him to commercially exploit 150 seconds, which in order generated the BCCI a revenue of 30 crores. A hard-hitting rebuttal by the former IPL boss. Lalit Modi clearly not going out without a fight. Sports Bureau, Times Now.